Aviation This Week is brought to you by Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Your top story: first flight for Harbour Air all-electric aircraft. Then CAE expands 777X training with Emirates. And Air Transat signs a new contract with KF Aerospace. Harbour Air, North America's largest seaplane airline, and electric propulsion developer magniX, on December 10th, completed the inaugural flight of what they state to be the world's first all-electric commercial aircraft. The flight involved a 6-passenger DHC-2 de Havilland Beaver, driven by a 750 horsepower Magni 500 propulsion system. The historic morning flight took place on the Fraser River from Harbour Air's Richmond, BC terminal, lasting 4 minutes, over 16 kilometers. The plane was piloted by Harbour Air CEO and founder Greg McDougall. Harbour Air in March 2019 first announced its intention to build the world's first completely electric commercial seaplane fleet. Operating 12 routes between hubs like Seattle and Vancouver and across rural regions of the Pacific Northwest, Harbour Air carries more than 500,000 passengers on 30,000 commercial flights each year. magniX, which is headquartered in Richmond, Washington, and Harbour Air will now begin the certification approval process for the propulsion system and the retrofitting of the aircraft. CAE on December 5th announced the sale of 2 Boeing 777X full-flight simulators and associated XR Series training suites to Emirates, with options for 4 additional training suites. This deal means Montreal-based CAE has now won 4 of 5 airline training programs for the new Boeing 777X aircraft. This includes Lufthansa, Qatar Airways, and an undisclosed Asian airline. CAE has been partners with Emirates for more than 25 years. With orders of 126 777X aircraft, Emirates will be the biggest operator of the new upgraded 777 when it enters service. Emirates plans to integrate the Boeing 777X into its fleet over the course of the next 2 years. Its first 777X FFS will be delivered by the beginning of 2021. Just days after opening its new 75,000 square foot maintenance hangar at Hamilton International Airport, KF Aerospace on December 4th announced a new contract with Canada's third largest airline, Air Transat. KF will provide heavy maintenance and modifications on the Montreal-based airline's fleet, including the A321, B737NG, and A330 widebody. The A330 portion of the agreement is to begin in 2020. Air Transat was the first airline to have its aircraft inducted for service at KF's expanded YHM capabilities, which can now accommodate 6 concurrent lines of narrow-body aircraft maintenance or up to 3 wide-body aircraft. The new building was completed in less than 8 months and serves as the centerpiece of KF's $40 million investment into Hamilton expansion projects, which includes new shops facilities and an aviation campus for Mohawk College's aerospace training hub. Thanks again to our sponsor, Aviation, your aviation solutions provider.